My name is Latif Ladid. I'm based in Luxembourg, and I'm the founder and president of the IPv6 Forum. Aarhus is has a big place in my heart because I used to work here back in the 90s. We were about 120 people, and we invented the first IPv6 routers in the world, which basically gave me the opportunity to start the IPv6 Forum together with some of the best engineers within the internet communities. That's an amazing world that made the internet happen today. IoT is still focused on non-IP connectivity. So it's not really connected to the internet. Only a few things are done. So what we have to add is we have to add the new version IPv6 so that we have real internet things to be working in all kind of environments. So using an open protocol instead of a telecom protocol. And the market by 2025 will be going beyond $3 trillion, if not up to $11 trillion, which will be the largest communication market in the world. But overall, you need high bandwidth because by 2021, 4G capacity will not be enough in the big towns. So 5G is needed anyway. So the work that has been done by the researchers so far, is going to will pay off quickly. Probably by 2025, it could be that we will have, a big chunk of connectivity done through 5G. So 50% of the world will be connecting by then. I guess, for startups, there are so many opportunities, so they have to look at the low-hanging fruits. So it's better to do good market study to see where you can perform quickly than bring something which is very innovative. So you have to identify exactly where your expertise is and where the market is going to be. So startups have really a good chance to do so because these fields are so niche. So the big players are not going to be going after these things. So they will see what kind of startups are going to do that, and probably they will buy them, to fill their portfolio and to be, a kind of leader in that domain. So people have to understand how the internet functions. So they have to study that. So IPv4, IPv6, they're very tough to learn. So you have to start right from the beginning. Then you look at the connectivity side. So 4G, 5G, and so on are quite important. So I would recommend to students to really choose, the most innovative and crazy professors who are doing new and crazy stuff, and to be among the first guys to be on the market. And we lack skills anyway in the market. So you see that across Europe, we don't have any engineers. Engineers in technology, so in this case, internet technologies, into access technologies like 4G, 5G, and we don't have enough security experts. We don't have cybersecurity experts. So there are many new domains that are really running into the market, but we don't have enough workforce, to do that. So being in this sector, you have a secure job in the future. Yeah, so as I mentioned, the biggest markets overall will be IoT, no doubt. So anything that has a point of connection will be valued, will be extremely valued. And then we move into factories, or factories of the future. So the companies today that are not really taking the internet seriously are going to be the losers of tomorrow. So they have really to jump on it, to at least stay in their market. Otherwise, the internet services are going to be taking over, and then they might disappear if they don't look into this. So IPv6forum.com or .org. It's a non-profit organization, and we organize conferences around the world. We do about 20 summits, IPv6 summits. And obviously this event next year we'll do it in Copenhagen, since we're teaming up with the TM Forum. So we expect a stronger presence. So we're back to Denmark again, which seems to be, one of the most modern countries and societies and industries in Europe. due to the quality of its people and its products.